Hey YouTubers, welcome back. It's gonna be another little quick video based on a faulty distributor on this Chevy Tahoe with a 5.7 liter engine. It's a 2000. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick the symptom of a faulty distributor. Then I'll show you guys pretty much the visual inspection on what I found to condemn a faulty distributor. So here we go. I'm gonna crank the engine and show you how this engine pretty much cranks with the faulty distributor. So here we go. Kind of wants to start, but the cranking compressions, as you saw there, they were uneven at moments, and that's pretty much due to the fact that the distributor is not in time, so it's not able to pretty much spark and give fuel to the engine in the correct ignition timing, as you crank the engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the visual inspection as I remove the distributor cap and rotor. All right guys, so this is the location of the distributor. It's at the rear center of the engine by the firewall. As you can see, I've already removed the distributor cap. So the way I confirm that this vehicle has a faulty distributor is that I pretty much rotated the rotor left to right. This is pretty much a normal rotor play that should pretty much have, but if I do it with more force, this rotor actually spins more, and that's pretty much a no-no. So this pretty much is what's causing it to throw off the timing of the spark, the injection. A rotor that pretty much is able to spin, I'll say maybe like 30 degrees, from its proper location. Like I said, this is a normal play right here, but if you do it a little bit more force, it actually spins more than that. All right guys, so this is the culprit problem here with this distributor. As you can see there, shaved off gears, which is causing the rotor to actually spin. So it's gonna need a new distributor. Alrighty. Alright YouTubers, so the brand new distributor is already installed. I'm about to do the cam offset on the cam sensor. So right now at idle, it's going about -5 degrees of camshaft retard. So I'm gonna raise the RPM to about 1,000, and I'm gonna move the distributor counterclockwise until that -5 becomes to 0 degrees. So here we go. RPM's at over 1,000. That it's at 0 degrees as I move the distributor counterclockwise. If I let go, it's going to go back to negative since the distributor is a bit loose. So here we go. It went back to -5. Camshaft retard. Specs for this vehicle is pretty much plus or minus 2 degrees, but its ideal degrees is at 0 degrees, so 0 or plus or minus 2 degrees. That's the spec for this 5.7 liter engine. Alright guys, this is the final adjustment. I'm going to raise the RPM at 1,000 plus, and that camshaft retard is going to stay at 0. So here we go. Be a happy PCM as long as that degrees at 0 plus or minus 2 degrees. All right. I want to show you guys the waveform of the crank signal as I crank the engine. So here we go. You're going to see some inconsistencies on the square waves. So this could be like a reference waveform for anyone who's struggling with a potential faulty distributor on a 5.7 liter engine, Chevy. Alright,